Yeah, hi friends. Today we will create a surface when you have no data and you want to do practice. So in that case, what you will do, you will create your own data and then create the surface. So today we will create the surface with the help of the lines. So I'll create line, yes, and there is a line. I'll create one more. I'll create one more. Create one more. This is the line. So right now if you will see here, there is no elevation with this line, so I'll give some assumptive data. So I'll give 20.5 is the elevation to this line. Yes, enter. Similarly, I'll give some elevation to this line, 20.25. Similarly, I'll give some elevation. You can see here 0, so I'll give an elevation to this line also, 20, and then same, I'll give an elevation 20.5. So when you have elevation to all the lines, now it's a 3D. So what you will do, you will create your surface. What it is, we will give a name that is existing ground. So similarly, we'll give here an existing ground, and then okay, we have created a surface, but in this surface there is no data. So now what we will do, we will add the data from where, from the drawing objects. We press add, and then we have to add, like, now there are multiple type of datas with which we can create surface. So right now we have lines, so with the help of the lines we can create the surface. Lines, then press ok, and then you can select all the line and then press enter. Now if you see, your surface is created. So this is the easiest way you will create surface and do your own practice. Now what you want to do, if you want to create an alignment, you can create an alignment. If you want to make a profile, you can make a profile. If you want to make pipe network, you can make pipe network. Anything anything which you want, you can create with this one, and then do your practice without any data. So thank you for this video. Like and share, and please subscribe my channel so that you can get more video like this. I'll help you as much as possible to so that you can learn civil 3D without any charge, free of cost. So keep supporting. Thank you, thanks a lot.